What is going on, everybody? Welcome back again to another update on our Volkswagen project. What we got going on is more body parts being put on. The rear fenders and the trunk lid are installed now, which makes the car actually look more like a Volkswagen finally. So things are looking good. I still have to do a little odds and ends back here. Right now, I'm actually buffing up the fenders. As you can see, this is completely dull from wet sanding. The texture on the paint, I'm using 3000 Trizact with that. I'll post a link in the description for you guys, but this sandpaper is real awesome. It's gonna knock the top texture right off, and then I'm gonna buff it up to a nice shine, just like I did with the rest of the car, which obviously this car is filthy dirty by sitting in the garage right now anyways. But these rear fenders and the trunk lid, I'm gonna get these buffed up today. That way I can start putting on the tail lights down here. I can start putting on the emblem, the license plate light, all that kind of stuff, the latch, rear bumper, and all of that. So if I can get this rear end wrapped up today, that's going to be an awesome step in the right direction. As far as everything else, the interior is still the same as last time. The rear seat is in, just not the bottom. I haven't put the battery in yet because it goes underneath that seat. The rest of the interior is pretty good. I'm going to hopefully put the windshield in probably this weekend, and then I'll be able to do the sun visors and the mirror inside. I think that's the last thing to do. As you can see, the seat belts are in, the back seat belts and the front, the pillars, that's all there. So things are moving on. The rear end's gonna get wrapped up. Then I can start working on the front fenders, getting those on, getting those buffed up, getting the hood buffed up. The biggest problem with these fenders is that it's so hard to put them on a stand and then have them be able to be sturdy so you can buff them. So I'm waiting till I bolt them on, that way that they're not gonna fall on the floor and get scratched and damaged. So hopefully I'll get to that very soon in the front, and then this thing is gonna really start looking like a Volkswagen even more. The front seats are put together. This is just a cover that's on top of here just so it doesn't get dirty or anything while it sits around. So the front seats are put together. After the windshield and the visors and the mirror and all that stuff goes in, I'll probably put the front seats in. I wanna put those in before I put the doors on anyway, so that'll be coming, and then I can bolt the steering wheel on. So things are going well. It seems like we might get this thing done sooner than later, but it's all the little odds and ends that take forever to wrap up. So who really knows? We still have a pile of parts over here. We kind of went through them. We have a lot of extras, a lot of doubles of stuff that we ordered from one place and then ordered from another place, or a lot of things were on back order. So we kind of went through, got rid of some of the stuff we didn't need. We still have all this stuff to go on. So it's going good, and I will update you guys after I do some more work and let you guys know how it's going. So hopefully you guys like this. This should be driving down the road this summer for sure, and I will definitely update you guys when that happens. Any questions about what we've done here, look back at all my old videos or ask me questions, leave comments, and I'll get back to you.